Okay, so hi everyone and welcome back to our series of lectures for the Forex 101 exploring the world of Forex trading. So in this video, we will going to discuss the different Forex market participants. So who are the participants of the Forex market? Okay, so before anything else, I want to discuss to you, my friends, the difference of the centralized exchange and the decentralized exchange. When we say centralized exchange, a good example of centralized exchange are stock exchanges. Meaning, there's an entity, there's an organization overseeing the total or the whole stock market. Now, for example, in US, we have the NYSE. Okay, the NYSE, the Dow Jones, etc. For example, NYSE. So, New York Stock Exchange. No, the New York Stock Exchange overseeing all the transactions, all everything what happens in their stock exchange. That is a centralized exchange. Now, Forex market is actually under the decentralized exchange or the DEX. When we say decentralized exchange, no one can oversee the market as the single superpower. No, just like that. Meaning to say, Forex market and also cryptocurrency actually are decentralized exchange. Meaning, peer-to-peer transactions can happen, bank to bank, individual to individual, and just like something like us, no, we are actually trading by our own using our laptop, using our cell phone, as long as we are connected in the internet world, okay, in the forex market itself through the use of the internet. That is decentralized exchange. No, there's no single body or single individual or entity or organization that is overseeing or administering the market. Okay, so that's the difference between the two. Cryptocurrencies and forex market are good example of decentralized exchange, while centralized exchange are actually good example for this are the stock market exchanges all over the world, any countries. Okay, and next, the for the forex market participants, our first participants in forex market are actually the big banks. Okay, big banks such as the Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, Citibank, JP Morgan, and Wells Fargo, and all the list of other big banks in the world are actually a participants of forex market. Why? Because we are actually depositing our money on different banks, okay, and those part of our deposits actually are being traded in the forex market. Yes, yes, my friends. No, the reality is banks, no, from different big banks, or the funds rather from different big banks are being traded in forex market. They have actually inside traders. Okay, another participant in forex market are the large commercial companies. When we say large commercial companies, these are the companies that have their operation outside their home country. Meaning to say, they are having their purchasing and transacting with their suppliers. Maybe it is outside their country, and as long as there is a transaction from one country to another, meaning they are engaged in forex, and by that way, commercial companies can be also engaged in forex market, so they can be considered as to one of the participants of the forex market. Okay, next thing, we have the government and central banks. This can't be forgot in our list of the forex market participants, because governments and central banks somehow monitors, not totally control, but they are just monitoring what is currently happening. Some notable central banks have, or of course, the central banks of the 8 major currencies, and they are for the United States dollar. We have the United States Federal Reserve System, or simply the Fed. Okay, another thing, for the euro, we have the ECB, or the European Central Bank. For the GBP, or the Great Britain Pound, we have the BOE, or the Bank of England. For the Japan, or the Japanese yen, we have the Bank of Japan. For the Australian dollar, we have the Reserve Bank of Australia. For the Switzerland, or the CHF, we have the Swiss National Bank. Another central bank, we have the Bank of Canada for Canadian dollar. And of course, we have the New Zealand Reserve Bank of New Zealand for the New Zealand dollar. So they are the government and central banks as part of the major players of the forex market. Okay, and another thing, we are actually part of the Forex market. Just like me, a single individual, if ever I have open my account and a Forex broker and then I will go into trade Forex, okay, I am now considered as a trader. And a trader is also a speculators. Okay, and speculators, just like us, can also be considered as the Forex market participants. So, Forex market participants are any individual. It can be individual or institution that is participating in exchange of currencies, or basically participating in the Forex market. So again, as our as part of our recap for the forex market participants, we have the big banks, we have the large commercial companies, we have the government and central banks, and we also have the speculators. So again, this is Quantalpha Algorithms. We have the free forex trading online course with free e-certificate of completion at our website. Just go to www.quantalphaalgorithms.com. Okay, so see you again, my friends, on our next video tutorial. Bye bye everyone, and keep safe always.